she introduces herself.
My name is Siva Mandheshi and I am from Siddharthnagar, Uttar Pradesh.
Riva, as we are discussing 10 minutes delivery, so it is good or bad? Which one you would like to choose?
It is bad.
It is bad. Okay, so I'm gonna support it. Riva, I just want to ask one question. If somebody meets with accident in the night, in the midnight, and he needs some of the aids he doesn't have in the home, and he's only the alone to take care of the family member, he's not able to go outside, it's better to order and it will be delivered within 10 minutes. So why it is bad? I just want to know it.
First of all, instant delivery means within 10 minutes, right? We can also increase the time. Why we are also using in 10 minutes? It's also harmful for the workers, right? Because they have to reach as soon as possible. They also lead the accident to him also. So this is I am not supporting that 10-minute delivery.
Ariva, as you are saying that instant delivery and you have brought a term gig workers, right? Gig workers are doing such kind of work, so it is not all about every application is not delivering within 10 minutes.
Yeah.
There are only limited like Blinkit or two, three applications may be there which has taken such kind of responsibility to deliver. So why it is being connected with every application? If someone needs emergency, so in that condition such kind of application can be used. Every application is not providing you 10 minutes delivery. This is the thing. If I talk about no one is there and your baby, there is a mother whose baby is hungry, he needs milk, her husband or no one is there, she can't go outside leaving her baby inside the home. Now you can say she can bring also to the baby and can go outside, but sometimes it is not possible. In that condition such kind of delivery is good.
Delivery boy is also a human being. It takes time because a mother who is feeding their child and they want milk as soon as possible. So it also pressure on a delivery boy. Okay, they have to reach as soon as possible. They are physically and mentally they are pressurized by that person. We have to reach. We have to reach, and they have to go as soon as possible to fulfill their needs. It's also not good for those person who are not able to reach as soon as possible. So
As you are saying, Reva, it is not only happening as you have mentioned mental harassment. What do you think if we do work in the private
mental pressure.
mental harassment or pressure? So if we work in the private sector, not only in private sector, if we are working anywhere.
It's a flexible time, man. It's a flexible time. You have not a specific time, but a delivery boy they have to reach within a minute. It's a pressurized time.
Okay,
But as a private job, they have a time. They have a 6 hours or 7 hours to do their work. They have a task to complete. But as a delivery boy, they have to reach as soon as possible.
My dear friend, it is being exaggerated. It is not the case. 10 minutes delivery. If road is like route is for 10 minutes, then you only will be then only you will be sent now. If suppose that in if any routes cover 30 minutes, so can you be said okay you have to deliver within the 10 minutes? No, this topic, this issue is being exaggerated, right? If it routes covers 10 minutes, then only you can deliver the 10 minutes. It is not the case that you are being given 30 minutes routes and you have to deliver in the 10 minutes.
But
what
but
what
it,
what kind of pressure the people gig workers are facing? Sometimes in every field we go through the mental pressure, even sometimes we go through the physical harassment also. It is being exaggerated.
So we are talking about instant delivery, which is coming under the 10 minutes. If we talk for the gig work, but it is risky for it. They have to, because in our India there is too much traffic on the road, and there is no other lane for go for the for there.
Yeah, very good point. I appreciate you for this effort which you have brought. What you want that our government makes separate lane for delivery boy.
Yeah,
It is
yeah.
your opinion.
Yeah, if it is very important for the medical purpose or for the any other purpose, then the government should make this type of rules for the.
But Reva, we have like a fixed road, so we have to divide into two partition. One side this, and one for like delivery gig workers. Yeah, like we have we have the limited, like as you are saying, separate track should be made for the delivery boy. But it is not like that we can extend the road, right? Road is limited. So should it be divided into three parts? Because one is for this way, one is for this way. So four roads should.
Government should can be. They can be, because in India delivery, instant delivery is increasing day by day. It's also increase, also beneficial for the GDP growth. So why government should not?
Yeah, I do agree. This thing, yeah, you have mentioned about the government. I appreciate you. Definitely, in this context, government should initiate.
Yeah.
Government should indulge by taking like by making the separate application. All the records should be recorded there. Such kind of things can help people. This activity now people are getting the benefit. They are not going to stop it, whether we discuss or not discuss. If someone is getting the product sitting at home, they don't need to browse, they don't need to explore the thing. They are getting sitting at home, so it is not. But rather, government should indulge. Government should help to the people. Right here, I would like to talk about the important thing: joblessness, unemployment. There are many people because of such kind of platforms, they don't need to face any kind of interviews. They don't need to learn any kind of skill. They get job very easily, like Zomato. Not only in blanket, like if I talk about the gig workers, they get job very easily. Somehow it is increasing the employment. They are helping their family by earning the money.
Yeah, it is good for those people who are less educated. Not for all, it's beneficial. For example, if so many students want to earn money as soon as possible, they trying to take shortcut to earn money. They are educated too much, but they are, because of earning money, they are trying to get a job in the delivery boy as a delivery boy. Most of the students who are from well educated and from the university, they have to also want to take but want to earn money, but somehow they are not that because of this they are not trying to compel themselves to educate more and more for the earning money. Most of the people like in the private sector want to job, but they are unable, then they go for the as a delivery boy. So this is also for not good for those
So,
people.
as you have like mentioned, illiterate people are doing such kind of work. It is not the thing when delivery boy comes to my home. Sometimes students also
Less educated, not
like,
illiterate.
so that's why now, as you are mentioning, less educated simultaneously while doing such kind of work, they are earning money, and side by side simultaneously they are completing their education. Less educated is turning to higher education
But
because of doing such kind of work. Suppose that your parents are not giving you money. Even it is not all about giving the money. They don't have the resources. They are unable to help you out. But you have thought that you can't do work in the private sector. You can't do those job which is fixed. You have to work like 5 to 6 hours continuously. Rather, you just want to complete your study, side by side you want to start earning the money, like flexibility. But like in such kind of job, there is the flexibility. If you just want to work 3 hours, 4 hours, you are okay, you can go with it. What's the problem?
yeah, it is good for short term, not for the long term. So many
not learning.
Yeah.
Interesting, very interesting. But I just want to mention one thing. Then, if this topic had not been very thought provoking, Raghav Chadda would not have raised this question. What do you think? You know about that Raghav Chadda himself worked as a gig worker to experience the pain. Do you know about it?
Yeah.
Like he himself went into the blanket and he worked as a gig worker and went through what kind of suffering, what kind of pain they are going through. Then he brought this topic into the public that it should be stopped. Because what happens? So, what's your opinion about it?
Yeah, I agree with it. It should be stopped because it pressurizes too much on the gig workers because there is no any any secure life. There is no insurance. There is no paid leave given by the companies.
That's what you earlier also discussed, that like you are talking about the insurance, life insurance. In that matter, if this field is getting increased, government should indulge. They should make rules, regulation,
Yeah.
policies regarding life insurance, because it is not going to stop now.
Yeah.
People will keep ordering,
Mm.
but it should be used judiciously,
Yeah.
right? Judiciously, we have discussed, like, it is providing employment, instant need, like instant need is being fulfilled. You don't need to, it is somehow helping to the professionals, working girls, working even professional. They don't have much time to go outside to explore the thing. Rather than sitting at home, they just get to know the price of everything. They do the orders, and whatever the time they waste searching, going outside, they are utilizing the time to make their life more productive. They are making, as you were saying, they are not earning. It is the case with the gig workers. I do understand, I do consider they are not, they are just earning, they are not learning. But it is happening opposite to with others also. They are not wasting the time, but somehow they are increasing their productivity to learn new skills.
But if in the case of children, they have a phone. They are addicted to ordering. If this kind of things make them lethargic, they are becoming a disabled. They are not more creative. They are not focusing on creativity. They are always scrolling the you know saying which product is better, which product is not. But in the hostel, so many students who are coming for studying, but they are just get addicted by the food. They're ordering and ordering because it's easy to order.
First, understand we need to understand that now we have, as you are saying, we are accustomed. We have got habitual ordering again and again.
Yeah.
As you are saying, hostel girls. In which hostels? Yes, I also keep watching that on the daily basis. Girls keep ordering. Sometimes pizza, anything they keep
It's
ordering.
also harm our immunity, right?
First, so we need to understand, once we get matured, we need to control our emotions. How can we direct connect? How can we connect with the? Suppose that if you are given a knife, if you are, so you will be using knife to benefit you, to cutting the fruits, to cutting the vegetables, or you will start cutting the neck of someone. So it's up to us how we are utilizing that resources. If we are getting the benefits, so rather than, and you are talking about a young, like those who are 12 or 13 or 14 years, so they are the responsibility of the elder person, like parents. They should be guided what is right and what is the wrong. Everything, if they say, mama, I just want to jump into the river, so their parents will allow, okay, you just jump into the river. They will stop you, they will stop them. So they should be guided. It's the responsibility of the parents.
No, it's responsibility of the parents, but most of the parents are not focusing what their children doing. This is the problem because nowadays, okay,
rather than going against. We need to learn how to use judiciously, right? Because now we are going, as we know that India is a developing country, but youth are kind of very energetic. After the pandemic, lot of things have changed completely. After the pandemic, lot of things have changed. Youth are very energetic. Youth are very enthusiastic. So India is not only big. India is now about to developing to develop. Right? We need to learn the things used judiciously. We can here talk about the adulterated, like because of such kind of instant delivery, what kind of benefit, like we are getting accustomed of having unhealthy food. I can say this, although I am promoting that 10 minutes delivery should not stop, but here whatever is right, I would like to make you notice that because of such kind of delivery, what we are getting adulterated food. That is not good, right? Everything is mixed because they send you all the things in the packed food. They deliver you packed food. And MSG also, umami like taste. They provide you umami taste. What do you understand by MSG?
MSG means um, MSG,
Yeah, we were
monosodium
glutamine.
glutamate.
So what it is?
It increases the taste of the product of food.
So yeah, just like it is kind of the powder which is being mixed in the food to make it more delicious.
Just the powder.
Even it is mixed in the, like when you go to the street, when you purchase a tea, it is mixed in the tea as well, right? Because you start getting craving and you feel like drinking.
I got
You feel like taking that tea again and again. Such kind of powders. So because of this, we are facing this problem. Rather to deal with such kind of problems like adulterated MSG and the benefits we are not getting, it should stop by taking the steps. By, like, government should make rules and regulations, but according to me, 10 minutes delivery should not be stopped, because not only there are many things which we need instantly, and this era is going to be digitalized. Yes.
It is good for us, for the convenient, for the customer convenient. But what about the vendors? What about the person who is standing from morning and at the evening, are selling of food on the street? But people are not focusing on them. They are just ordering and ordering by the app. But they are losing their, uh, they are just earning very less. This is bad for the vendors and for the shop who are not connected with this type of delivery app. It is not good for those persons who are like a shopkeepers, and for the vendors.
Very good point you have covered. But Riva, if we are going towards the develop, we have to, like, sacrifice lot of things. We can't consider. You have brought a very very nice topic, like what will happen to the vendors and the small shopkeepers who are running the shop. Sometimes then in, we have to sacrifice lot of things to get off. They will also accustom. After the sometimes they will also learn what do they have to do. They will be getting the skill also to upgrade themselves. I do agree that they are still they are facing the problem. When you talk with such kind of vendors, shopkeepers, they say that online platform has snatched their profession completely, right? Because nowadays people know each and every price of everything.
Yeah.
They even ask to the shopkeeper, excuse me sir or ma'am, what is the price? They already have explored using such kind of platform. Yeah.
हाँ okay लेकिन I want to add one thing like there in China there is a rule they have a drone system to deliver the product. This is the beneficial for the those people and they focusing more on their young generation to improve their creativity and improve their skills. They are focusing on that. They want to develop their youngster. They are focusing not as a doing they are doing as a delivery. They are using drone to deliver the product. And they also want the young youngster want to go outside and buy themselves.
Yeah, means although it is very kind of new to me, you are saying that China is using drone to like how drone is being used. Means just like gig workers there in China don't deliver the food. How means drone? As far as I know, drone is like work in the sky, right? So how food or not food? How everything is being delivered by using the drone? Oh yeah, may I know that this thing?
There's an advanced technology using by the China. They are also the workers who are working. There's a white collar profession. They are earning too much by using this type of things. Like they are using like a drone. It's a drone and there's a
As you said that Reva, drone is being used. My question was that how drone is being used to deliver. Like we know that a delivery boy or gig workers come to our home, come to street to deliver the food. As you have brought this term drone. So drone, how drone works to deliver any of the thing, that is my question.
okay. By when we are ordering the product, it detected our location. The same at the same drone also detected our location and by this type of there's an advanced mechanism used by the
China.
China. They are using like they have an advanced drone, not like us. But advanced drone to having a box. They are putting the product and sending on the road.
Okay. Now we have discussed this insightful topic. Like this way, we will keep bringing new topics on the daily basis. If you like this conversation, please like, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified further. Thank you very